Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OPPO A38. And let's start with first one, and it will be on how to translate any language into another, and your Google Assistant will also speak out loudly this translation, so this is very useful when traveling. Let's try it out. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Yeah, so sorry, let's try it again because I had the volume down on the phone and it didn't work. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's zjadłem burgera.
Okay, next one will be to count the calories in your food, and you can ask Google Assistant for it. Hey Google, how many calories in the burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, next one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your house or in your room or in the place nearby and you can't identify where it is. You can say, hey Google, where are you?
I live in a house built out of pixels. Look how pretty it is.
Your phone will make a sound and that will be easy to identify where it is. You can also try to ask it to play any song. And then we have an option to call anyone from our contact list. And let's try it. Hey Google, call my mom.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And then we have something which is kind of similar to the call, which is to send a message. And one thing that we can note here, that is we can include, say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate the burger.
All right. What's your mother's name?
And again, replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.